You're on Slenderman or not.
Scaredy cat.
Ha 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 ha.
The person who brought us to this place on accident because he wanted to go to the lake.
With Slenderman. Dude.
Can we go? No. I'll go.
Okay.
It's a bird. Please stop! Guys, I'm
Leave
not
her.
kidding. No, stop!
What if it is some guy with a drill and he's gonna drill our eyes out?
What if he has a chainsaw?
Oh,
Chainsaw!
I'm scared now.
I want to see. Let's walk down and then we'll come back up. Stop, no, stop! I love the reaction.
I'm just kidding.
Stop. No. Where did that noise come from?
I like how right as we came it went away because of the bird.
I know. I think it's just a bird, guys.
But it sounded like a drill and so probably
It
no
sounded
drill.
like a door opening. To me.
Yeah,
I thought it was in there like 4 more times.
it did sound like a door.
That's why I was thinking, why would a guy open and close the door 4 times?
Let's go. Well, if there's a lake, we can kill him, put him in the lake, and no one will ever know.
It's fine, guys. There's more trails than just this one. Like, there's other ways.
Oh man, I have to take a poop.
Stop. Hey, please. Guys, it's a bird.
It's
I'm
a
not
bird.
even kidding. Stop.
It's a bird.
Where's the bird? Show me the bird.
Because, Erin, okay.
Here was that door opening. Please,
Where would it have come from?
show me
It came from straight up.
Guys, I want to tell you what I'm thinking, but I don't want to scare myself.
Okay, so
Just
don't
say
say
it.
it.
I'm not gonna scare myself.
Go.
What?
You can hide over there.
What?
It's 2 minutes going.
Please, can we go?
No,
How about I
it's
just get it on that? If you're
we hiked all the way over here.
already. No, please.
Maybe he's trying to find.
Please,
the
can we go
one
back to
good
people
guy.
and civilization? Maybe he's hiding in the trees. Please.
I'm going. Let's
Please,
go.
no, please, guys. Why does it no?
Hayden, come on.
It's okay. It's okay.
What if it's like the British Army in there? Or like,
Doing some guerrilla warfare.
yeah. What if it's like on my hand?
This is just like the rest of the trails. What changed?
Just you heard a scary
Nothing.
bird.
Oh my God! There's the lake.
Let's go. Calm down.
And you realize you're making everyone else scared. I'm terrified.
It's okay.
What if it's like that